Mga kabida, isang magandang oras sa lahat. Welcome po sa aking channel. Pag-usapan po natin itong bagong post po ng The Manila Times, mga kabida. Kahapon po, naging controversial yung balita po ng The Manila Times regarding doon po sa kanilang headline na dinisband di umano ito hong Vice President Protection and Security Group ni Vice President Sara Duterte. At pinalitan po ito ng bagong security group, mga kabida. Ang sabi po ng AFP, hindi ho dinisband, kundi reorganization lang po ang nangyari po, mga kabida. Ngayon, sa bagong balita po ng The Manila Times po, mga kabida, posted po ito 9 hours ago. Ang sabi po dito sa kanilang headline, VP security men face court martial. So, iko-court martial daw itong mga opisyal po ng defunct Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group. Itong dalawa nilang mga commanders. Dahil ho daw sa alleged involvement, mga kabida, doon po sa disbursement po ng confidential fund po ng Office of the Vice President. Eto, babasahin po natin yung kanila pong balita, The former commander and deputy commander of the dissolved Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group could face court-martial proceedings over the alleged involvement in disbursing confidential funds from the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. A document obtained by the Manila Times from sources inside the Office of the Provost Marshal General noted that the office is now creating a fact-finding committee to investigate the involvement of former Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group Commander Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica and his Deputy Commander Colonel Dennis Nolasco over the disbursement. Two ranking military officials confirm the authenticity of the document. So, meron pong create po ngayon na fact-finding team, para imbestigahan po itong involvement di umano nitong dalawang dating opisyal po ng Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group. Sa sinasabi po nilang disbursement di umano, mga kabida, sa confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President and Department of Education sa time po ni dating Secretary Sara Duterte. The PMG is tasked to conduct investigations to establish whether there is probable cause for them to be subjected to a general court-martial, which would try the respondents based on the information and evidence held by the PMG, which would act as the prosecutor. The current Provost Marshal General is Brigadier General Ferdinand Marcelino of the Philippine Marines. Ayan. The updated document also said that due to the impact of the issue, the PMG found it appropriate and proper to propose the creation of a fact-finding committee to investigate the subject officers. The source also said that under instructions from the AFP Chief of Staff, Romeo Browner Jr., both the Chica and Nolasco are on floating status due to the investigation. It was during the hearing of House Committee on Good Government on November 25, 2024, that La Chica and Nolasco were mentioned in relation to the confidential funds in both agencies then headed by Vice President Sara Duterte. Special Disbursing Officer Gina Acosta of the OVP said 125 million in confidential funds were disbursed to La Chica on December 20, 2022. Edward Fajarda, the former SDO of DepEd, said he turned over 37.5 million to Nolasco, who was then acting as security officer of the DepEd. Both Acosta and Fajarda claim that La Chica and Nolasco, respectively, were the ones who managed the allocations. Ayan. So, yun yung balita, ano? So, dalawang opisyal po, ano? Dating commanders ng Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group na nangangalaga po dati sa seguridad po ng Vice Presidente ang humarap po ngayon, no, sa possible court martial po mga kabida dahil ho dito sa kanilang involvement sa disbursement ng confidential fund, ano po, both Office of the Vice President and Department of Education. So, anong tingin po ninyo dito, ano? Isa po ba itong panggigipit, ano? Doon po sa mga close po ng Vice Presidente mga kabida, ano? Unang-una po, dinisolve yung Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group na nangangalaga po sa seguridad po ng Vice Presidente, ano? Okay? At pinalitan ito mga kabida ng Armed Forces Security and Protection Group. Okay? Hindi na po ito exclusive, ha? Kasi yung Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group ay exclusive security group po ito mga kabida para ho sa Vice Presidente, ano? So this time, itong pinalit po, nakihati na po itong Vice Presidente mga kabida sa kanyang security doon po sa mga VIPs. Very important persons. Okay? So anong tingin po ninyo dito mga kabida? Isa ho ba itong panggigipit sa mga perceived close to the Vice President? Although nabanggit yung kanilang mga pangalan doon po sa investigasyon po mga kabida ng Committee on Good Government and Accountability ng House of Representatives, ano? Considering nabanggit po ito ng mga resource person coming from the OVP and DepEd. Na itong dalawa ang tumanggap po mga kabida doon po sa sinasabi po nilang allocation o budget po, ano po, na? Okay? Now, titingnan na lang po natin ito, no? Kasi ho, unang-una, itong dalawa po ay nasa floating status, okay? At pangalawa po, yung Vice Presidente po natin, so far, wala pa pong reaction tungkol po dito mga kabida sa nangyayari ho sa kanyang mga tauhan, ano? Ng kanyang security personnel, okay? At maging yung kanyang security group. At aabangan po natin yung kanyang magiging reaction po dyan, mga kabida. Most likely, baka po aalma po ito. No, ito pong si VP Sara. Ito, ano lang po ito, speculation lang po, ano, mga kabida. So, titingnan na lang po natin, aabangan po natin kung ano po yung magiging reaction po ni VP Sara tungkol po dito, mga kabida. Pero ang klaro po dito is, unang-una, yung kanyang security group ay dinifunct, dinisolve. Okay? Pero ang sabi po ng AFP, hindi ho dinisolve kasi yung dissolve at saka yung disband is magkapareho lang po yung meaning po, ano, mga kabida. Okay? Ang sabi lang po nila is reorganization lang po daw. Okay? Titingnan na lang po natin. Kayo na pong bahala dyan. Okay? Mag-analyze po mga kabida. Okay? And this, at yung pangalawa po, itong mga commanders dati, no, ng defunct Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group na sina Chika at saka si Nolasco ay naharap po ngayon, no, sa investigasyon dyan ho sa Provost Marshal. Okay? At possibly, haharap po ito sa isang court martial po mga kabida. Okay? For your comment and for your opinion, you can comment down. Sa mga hindi pa po subscribers sa aking channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click all para updated po kayo mga kabida sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at God bless po.